1. Press Menu button. Choose Machine Setup. Press OK. 2. Choose Pulse Secret. Press OK. Modify according to the sticker on the frequency converter. Inside the chassis select the corresponding axis. Press Run Pulse to modify the parameter, and press OK to confirm. Press Cancel. Back to setting page. 3. Choose table size. Press OK. Modify according to the actual size of the machine. Select the corresponding axis. Press Run Pulse to modify the parameter, and press OK to confirm. Press Cancel. Back to setting page. 4. Choose Spindle Setup. Press OK. Choose Spindle Delay. Press OK. Choose On Delay. Press Run Pulse to input the data. Press OK to confirm. Press Cancel. Back to setting page. Five. Press Stop twice. Back to home. Take power off to restart system. Then it can be used.